Let's tackle that chronic fatigue by extracting the biological grit from your cells.
Ever wonder why your cellular batteries drain so fast? Well, heavy metals are literally grinding down your mitochondrial gears.
This creates oxidative friction. It sparks toxic hydroxyl radicals that absolutely wreck your cellular energy production.
So, to stop feeling sluggish, we need a targeted detox solution. Enter the TX8 Stone FulXP Complex. Think of it like a giant Humic magnet. It aggressively binds and yanks out those damaging heavy metal ions. It uses a powerhouse trio: hymatomilanic acid for detox, Humic for metabolism, and fulvic for nutrient conductivity.
Together, they shut down destructive metallic reactions and completely reboot your internal cellular power plants.
The best part? Hitting this cellular reset is incredibly simple, and the daily protocol really works. It all comes down to the dose. Just take exactly 2 milliliters of T8 Stone concentrate every single day.
That precise dose neutralizes oxidative stress, completely flushing out all that toxic biological grit we talked about.
It instantly shifts your body away from sluggish oxidative friction, bringing you right back to high-voltage vitality.
So, I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to extract the grit and reactivate your high-voltage cellular power?